Welcome everyone to our channel Water Campus. So please subscribe our channel to know more about the latest update on water. You all would like to know which is the state in India considered as a most cleanest city, or you can say the state which is well developed in terms of sewage treatment, which, or we can also say that the state which is generating a lot of sewage, but contrast to this they have a well developed sewage treatment plants also. Now we would like to show you Excel sheet. So you see that the state Andaman, they generate 22 mld of sewage. In the similar way, you can say that we have considered all these states. The green one here indicates that the installed treatment capacity is very good in that state. So we have ranked it. If you see that we have ranked Chandigarh as number one, because if you see the sewage generated is 164 mld per day, but if you see the total installed capacity is way beyond that, the sewage generation, it is 314 mld of treatment capacity is already there in that city, which shows that the percentage of treatment capacity is 191%, more than 100. So this is really, we can say that Chandigarh is a city which is planned in a very good way. It is planned well. The sewage treatment capacity, the sewage treatment plants is already in a large number over there. The capacity is huge. The second is the Sikkim, where 24 mld is the sewage generated and they have 31 mld capacity. So 132% is the treatment efficiency. Third one is the Himachal Pradesh, where the percentage of treatment capacity is 104.29%. So I would rate these cities and state as top 3 in India, because if a state is able to treat its sewage in a well mannered, then we can say that these are the state which is a very clean city, and they are more developed city and state in India. So I would rate these 3 in terms of sewage treatment capacity. So hope you like today's videos, and I would urge everyone to subscribe to our channel to know more about the water news and updates. We are here and working for you to bring some interesting data on water sector and to give you a deep analysis on that. So thank you everyone.